Hi trader, in this video I'll show you how you can copy all my deals absolutely for free. So I'll show it right now and watching the video and enjoy it. So here we go. Dear traders, we're in the pocket option. To connect social trading, it's the same. It's simple. You can copy it, you can follow the link in the description in my Telegram channel, and there's the code you need to copy and go to pocket option, just paste it and the deals will start automatically copying immediately. So do it, repeat it after me, and all for free. So let's start our technical analysis. We see upward trend. We reached this level, a small range. We see candles, some recovery, like the previous period. Yeah, the same time. This absolutely the same. We see it's social trading. Simple words. You can copy it like by phone, by computer. So that's easy. We open all the deals and open phone. The second concept I will see. Up deal. Let's do some technical analysis. General upward trend, period resistance level. We didn't reach this level. So this resistance level possible to overcome. So remind you, it's absolutely for free. Go to my Telegram channel, join for free, and you can get social trading by code, and you can see some instructions on how to fully connect it. So write to me if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and ask me questions. Or you can, we see third concept. Yeah, we open it on the phone. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Some technical analysis we see. You didn't do this, so it's easy, just copying. We didn't reach support level. Trend upward, and I recommend to copy social trading but to new buys, because it's quite simple, I repeat, and very simple, so to say. And this you can get these within 2 weeks after the release of this video. So after that you can get a code and copy it, just paste it in your we see fourth concept, upward, some recovery. We see some shadows, lower. We didn't see resistance level. We see some growth. You can look at your phone at the moment or on the chart. So this situation, there's nothing more to say. We have nothing to say here. The balance, just copying trading, absolutely nothing to do. So don't trade, don't teach it, just go to pocket option, enter my code, and your account is officially connected and quickly to my account. So yeah, it's automatically always on pocket option, don't forget. Yeah, we'll see you last concept bar. Let's not delay. Last deal we still have to finish. 2 plus. Down deal. We see, I'll explain why. The previous candles are small, the volume is decreasing, plus we opened at the highest point. So if we see the trend try to change, dear traders, so let's wait a little until the deal to close. Yep, great, we see plus deal. Yeah, it's confirmed on your phone. Great. I repeat once again, the conditions to get social trading, the link on the description. It's absolutely for free. Go to my Telegram channel. You can write me to my private messages, and under the video you can ask me questions. It's absolutely for free for first 2 weeks, so you can get this forever, absolutely for free. And thanks for watching, see you in the next video.